What's up, guys? It's your boy Etard Adventures. We're here with the Miss LaFonda, the KP Mini 150. Today we're going to be installing the exhaust that American Life provided for us. It's an aftermarket performance exhaust. We're going to put on the KP Mini today. But first, this is the factory exhaust that we have cut down, so it sounds louder than what it does stock. But I want y'all to hear the difference from my exhaust that we modified to the Life KP Mini exhaust. Shout out to American Life for sending us out a box of goodies. We actually got 2 pops in here because we have 2 KP Minis. So that's Bub's Vacations bike. We'll be doing his on he'll probably be doing his on his channel. But today we're going to be tackling it on my bike. It's got a real nice performance header with it. The opening actually looks a lot bigger. I like the welds, and then the pipe actually steps up, if you can see that. Starts getting fatter and fatter, and then it ends up with a nice can there where your slip-on goes. And then you got a nice KP Moto Club exhaust here that's very nice. It's got a baffle in it from the factory, but they send you a Allen wrench to take the screw out there, and your baffle comes out. So we'll do a before and after with and without baffle. All right, so all you're going to need to do this is some basic tools. And you can actually probably get away without even having this much. But you're going to need a, what size is this? 12 millimeter. A 15 millimeter. And what am I using here? 1/2 inch? 1/2 inch and an extension. Boom. This right here changes all this out. So you got 2 nuts right here. You got this one, which you can get with your wrench. And you can also, you probably have to get to the back one over here on this side with your wrench as well, because there's not very much room from your frame. This is a vertical motor. Unlock the groms. And then you come on back here to your rear foot peg. And that's what I'm using the 1/2 inch for that. And then you need your 15 to hold this side. Just take that off, and that's where it met. Mess up that crush washer. The pipe's still warm. Boom. Just like that. Please leave in the comments what y'all think sounds better. I know it's kind of hard to tell what stuff sounds like on YouTube videos, but let's give the KP Mini a start here. Just the idle. Give y'all a little rev. She's still cold. Alright, we got the KP Mini exhaust all bolted up, so let's see what she sounds like with the baffle in. Idle. let's pull the baffle out. See what she sounds like with the baffle out of it. You got one Allen screw over here, which they provide with you in the kit to remove the baffle. You can do it with it on here.